Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and I wanted to show you how to reset your iPhone to factory default, meaning that it will be just like it was when you took it out of the box for the first time. And so this will help you erase all data from it, disassociate it from your account, and make it so the next person that either purchases it or that you give it to, or maybe you're returning it, can sign in without having to sign in to Find My Friends or any of those accounts, because it won't be locked to your account. So in order to do this properly, what you'll need is a couple things. You'll need the device's passcode to unlock it, and you'll also need the iCloud account password. If you don't have that, you won't be able to reset it. So if you need to reset that password, go to iCloud.com and then you can reset your password there. Now, before you erase everything on your phone, you want to make sure that you have a backup if you're going to continue using iPhone. So if you're going from an old phone to a new phone, I have other videos to show you how to do that and transfer all of your settings, including the same app layout and all the app data and messages and everything else. But if you want to just have a backup in general, make sure that you're either using iTunes on Windows, iTunes on Mac on an older Mac, or you use the Finder, click on your device and hit Backup Now. However, if you want to back up using iCloud, that's even easier as long as you have the storage available. And you do that by going to Settings. Under Settings, tap on your name. Then under your name or whatever phone you're on here, you want to go to iCloud. And under iCloud, down towards the bottom, you'll see iCloud Backup. And under iCloud Backup, tap on this, you'll see that it's on, and as long as it's backing up everything, it will give you the last successful backup below, and as long as it's backed up, you're good to go. That will back up not only your settings, but your messages, your mail settings. You may have to enter a few passwords and things in the future, but it will back up even the layout of your apps and most of the app data as well. So as long as you have that backing up, or you've backed up on iTunes, you should be good to go. And once you know that you have your information secure, we can move on to removing everything off the device. Now, in order to reset the phone, what you want to do is, once you have that information, go into Settings, and then at the top, you'll have your name or someone else's name, whoever's it is. Tap on the name here and go down to Find My. We need to turn off Find My if it's on. So tap on Find My. And you'll see it says Find My iPhone, and it's on my device. So I need to turn this off. Now, in order to turn this off, I need my iCloud password. So go ahead and tap on Find My iPhone, and then turn off Find My iPhone. It will pop up asking for your Apple ID password. Once you put this in, it will turn it off. Now that Find My iPhone is off, we want to remove it from our account as well. This will make it easier in the future unless you're setting it up for yourself. So let's go ahead and do that. So we'll go back. Now, once you've turned off Find My iPhone, on the same account page, we need to scroll to the bottom to turn off iCloud and disassociate the phone from our account. So let's go ahead and scroll down. And all the way at the bottom, it says Sign Out. So we'll tap on Sign Out. Now it's saying, do you want to keep a copy of your data on this phone? And you don't want to do that if you're erasing the phone, so make sure all of these are turned off. If you did want to keep this and sign in with another iCloud ID, then you would leave those on. Otherwise, keep them off and hit Sign Out. And it says, are you sure you want to sign out? And then go ahead and hit Sign Out. And then it says copying iCloud data. That's just to the cloud. You won't necessarily have that on this phone. And then we'll erase the phone in just a moment once we've signed out. Now, once you've signed out of the iPhone, what you'll need to do is go down and reset it. So under the main settings, just scroll down and go to General. Scroll all the way to the bottom of General, and then you have Reset. So we'll tap on Reset, and then there's a few options here. We want to erase all content and settings. So all of these other things don't matter. Erase all content and settings. And then it's going to ask you for the passcode of the device itself. So maybe your Touch ID wasn't working. It's that same passcode. And this will work for Face ID phones as well. Once you've put that passcode in, it's asking you if you want to erase it again. It's just a safety check. So it says this will delete all media and data and reset all settings. So you want to hit Erase iPhone. And then you'll have to hit Erase iPhone again, and it will take a moment and the phone will reboot. Now, the same thing applies to all iPhones. So this is my iPhone 11 Pro Max, and you can see here it says Erase iPhone. If I hit Erase and erase again, it will wipe the phone. So that's how you completely wipe it. We'll wait for this to reboot, and you'll see that it's back at the setup screen. Now, it will take a little bit of time to erase and reset, and once it's done, it will look just like this, and you're at the main startup screen again. And so this is where you can set your phone up. We just press home to open on this phone, and we'll set it up just like it was new. You can hand this to someone else to use, give it to someone else, sell it, return it. Either way, all of your information has been removed from the phone, and it's good to go. It won't be associated with your iCloud account, and it won't be activation locked or anything like that. So you'll be good to use it, hand it to someone else, and you're all set. And if you don't have the wallpaper from the iPhone SE that I have here from 2020, I'll link it in the description for you, just like I always do in all my other videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.